アチャンネル。
Hello, welcome to Fair Channel. My name is Shunya.
My name is Tomo.
My name is Natalie.
So today we're gonna talk about how to make credit card in Japan. And what do we prepare?
So the preparation is taking quite a long time. What you need is bank account, resident card, resident certificate, and parents or guardian letter of agreement. If the applicant is aged 18 to 20, they are required to have parents or guardian's letter agreement. These documents are required as proof of your length of stay in Japan. Also, a student is required to show a student identification. Optional documents. There are optional documents which is not required, but it is better to have it with when you apply and show it to the person processing your application. The optional document will be passport, insurance card, phone contract, income statement. Also, applicants should speak Japanese for getting credit card easily.
So optional document is normally required.
Yes, normally it is required, so you should prepare them. Income statement. Income statement is statement for your income, for your working salaries and taxation and all of income statement.
Yeah, thanks. So what is the best credit card company in Japan for foreigners?
So there are three best credit card companies I will introduce in Japan. One is American Express, one is Mitsui Sumitomo, and Epos credit card. Out of so many credit card companies, we recommend these companies for easier applications. Foreign students will surely benefit on the list too. First one is American Express. American Express is known all over the world. The head office is in the United States, but the application process and its system are not the same with Japanese card companies. Also, American Express is foreign friendly. And next one is Mitsui Sumitomo. Mitsui Sumitomo is the first visa in Japan. This company offers different type of credit cards, even for students, and make it easier to do. The last one is Epos card. Epos card is a member of Marui group. You can get a Epos card at the Marui store in Japan. The application process is as fast as 30 minutes after you submitted the form at their counter. It is also a partner with Global Trust Network, GTN, a guarantor company for foreigners in Japan. However, GTN Epos card is only for GTN customers, so this is well recommended for 18 years old and older.
Okay, where can we apply these credit cards?
So we have our link in down below our description box. You can apply from their link.
Okay, what is the reason that some people get rejected?
There are 6 reasons for rejection. The best way to avoid rejection is by knowing why others failed. First one is a short length of stay. Second one is bad credit history with other company. Third one is multiple credit card application. Fourth one is choosing cash, borrowing cash. That's on the application form. Fifth one is choosing shopping, borrowing cash for shopping. That's also on the application form. And the last one is language difficulties.
Wow, that's a lot.
That's quite a lot. Yes. So first one is short length of stay. If you're in Japan for a few months to a year, it is very unlikely for your application to be accepted. Except if you are employed in a prestigious company in Japan with higher salary. The second one is bad credit history with other companies. Banks and credit card companies share information with each other. So if you have a company you applied for, will check for your history and will find out the bad report. And even if it was from your home country, your application will be highly rejected. Multiple card application. As I mentioned about banks and credit card companies share information with each other, applying for multi-credit card will affect your credit score and give them the impression that you're a high-risk applicant. Choosing cash. Though cash is necessary for urgent situation, choosing cash in your application will make it more impossible to get approval. It's better if you put 0 yen on the application form for the option. Otherwise, the company may think that this applicant doesn't have the money. Choosing shopping on the application form. In your application form, remember to put lower than 30,000 yen for choosing shopping. The intention of getting a credit card might be questionable and suspicious if a credit option for shopping is too big.
So this can have 10,000.
Yes, but this is just writing on the form. But you can use more than that for sure.
Okay.
And the last one is language difficulty. Japanese language is important for getting credit card. You will have to fill up an application form in Japanese. and the processor will explain the information and terms, condition in Japanese too. So the more you can understand the explanation, the higher chance of rejection.
So they don't have an English one, or they don't have someone that can speak English.
Nowadays, there are a lot of English-speaking staff is hired. However, all those Mitsui Sumitomo, Epos, all those Japanese credit card company is likely to have only Japanese staff. Yes.
So what should I do if I get rejected my credit card?
So if you get rejected your credit card, you should try to get debit card. Debit card offers the convenience of a credit card, but it works different way. Using a debit card, it draws money directly from your bank account once you make a purchase. Generally in Canada, a debit card is commonly used over a credit card. So there are various credit cards available in Japan, and the best 3 credit card companies that we recommend for foreigners are American Express, Mitsui Sumitomo, and Epos Credit Card.
So once again, where can we apply credit card for these companies?
You can apply credit card from our description below. We will post our link, and we are giving all the information and making credit card information there too. Please contact us for any other questions or concerns. Thank you.
Bye.
We're introducing job for foreigners in Japan. Please contact us, our official LINE account, or by email.
You can find more information in description box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye.
Multi-card... ちょっと待って、もう一回。いやいや、
いいよ。
Wow, that's a lot.
間違えた。間違えた。
And give them an impression that you are a high risk applicant. Yes.
What are the best debit cards that you recommend?
The debit cards is... I don't know.